Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this little Christmas tree, which can decorate a big Christmas tree or any other part of your home, like a window or an entrance door. This Christmas tree is very quick and easy to make. I am going to work using this crochet cotton thread, size 10, and my hook is almost 2 millimeters. We are going to start here at the top and we'll be moving in this direction. We'll begin with chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we'll make a circle using a slip stitch like this. And now in this circle, including this end of the thread, we are going to make 14 single crochet stitches. We'll start with chain 1 and now single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After stitch number 9, we'll make a loop hanger. I usually make about chain 30 or 35. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, enough. And now I'll make a slip stitch in this last single crochet like this, and we'll continue making single crochet stitches. We need 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 5 single crochets on this side of the loop hanger and 5 here that we are not going to use. We are going to be working using these 4, and on these 4 we'll make 8 single crochet stitches. So we'll start with a slip stitch in the first of those 4 like this. Then we'll make chain 1, which will count as the first single crochet, and in the same space we'll make another single crochet. Now 2 single crochets in the next one, 2 in the next one, and 2 in the next. We have 8 single crochet stitches. Here they are. Now we are going to make a double crochet stitch in each of those single crochets, but we are going to make them in groups of 2. Between 2 double crochet stitches we are going to make chain 2. We'll start with chain 3 as the first double crochet, working on the next side now, and we are making a double crochet stitch in the next single crochet. So now we have 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2. In the next single crochet we'll make a double crochet and another double in the next one, chain 2, 1 double crochet, the second one, chain 2, and in the last 2 single crochets we'll make 2 double. Actually the last one will go in this chain 1 that we made at the beginning. Okay, like this. We are here now And you can see that beginning with the next row, each row will start with chain 5, and then this group of 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and we'll do the same at the end. And each row will start with chain 5, this group, and will end with this group. So chain 5. Now here in this first space we are making 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2, and 2 double crochets, chain 2, and here in this middle space we'll just make a double crochet, chain 2, and we'll repeat this group here in the last space, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochet stitches. This row is ready. We have finished this row. In the next one, between those beginning and ending element, we are going to make, instead of 1 double crochet, we are going to make groups of 2 double crochets with chain 1 between them. We'll always start with chain 5, and we'll repeat this combination of 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. Now chain 1, and where we had 2 chains, we'll make 2 double crochets, and where we had 1 double crochet, we'll make just chain 1. In the next space of chain 2, once again 2 double crochets and chain 1, and the end combination of 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Okay, end of this row. We have finished this row and this row, and as you can see from here, they are repeated 3 more times. First, the row of chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and the row of chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. If you want to, you can just pause the video and work on your own. I'm going to show 2 more rows just in case, and then we'll make the tree trunk together. So chain 5, two double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. We had chain 1 in the previous row, now chain 2, and where we had chain 1, we'll make a double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet, chain 2, and this combination of 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2, and 2 double crochets, chain 5. We'll repeat this beginning element, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double, and because we had chain 2 in the previous row, now we are making chain 1, and where we had chain 2 we'll make 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the next space, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the next space, chain 1, and 2 double crochets, chain 1, and a group of 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. Like this. So we are here now. We need to repeat these 2 rows 2 more times. I will do it, and then I will show how to finish it off. So I have finished these rows, and now we are going to make this last row and the trunk. We'll start with chain 1, and we are going to make single crochet stitches in each stitch that we have. The first chain 1 will be considered as the first single crochet stitch, so now I'm making a single crochet stitch in the second, double crochet, 2 single crochets in this space of chain 2, a single crochet and a single crochet in the next 2 double crochets. And now let's see, we have 8 groups of 2 double crochet stitches. We are going to make a trunk on these 4 groups in the middle. So here we are going to continue just making single crochet stitches. 1 single crochet in the space of chain 1, 2 single crochets in the double crochets, 1 single, 2 single crochets, 1 in this space, and now we have arrived to this point where we'll start the trunk. So first we'll make a slip stitch to get in this first double crochet. Now chain 3 is the first double crochet of the trunk, and a double crochet in the next double crochet, a double crochet in this space, a double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochets, a double crochet in the space, 2 double crochets into double, a double crochet where we had chain 1, and the 2 more double crochets. So we have made 11 double crochet stitches, counting these 3 chains as the first double crochet. Chain 3. And on the other side, we are going to make a double crochet in each double crochet. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last double crochet will go in the third of these 3 chains. chain 1. And now we are making single crochet stitches like here in each of the double crochets. The first is chain 1. So now I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, and 11th goes in the third of these chains, like this. Now we need to get to this side of the tree, but in order to avoid cutting thread and starting it all over, we'll just make slip stitches along this side. About 3 slip stitches in each of these double crochets. Just be careful, try not to make it too tight. Just go like this in each thread that you can find here in each space. So I have made 4 so far, 5, and 6 will go here in this inner corner. Okay, like this. And now we can start making single crochets like we did here. So 2 single crochets in the 2 double, 1 single where we had chain 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 here because we had chain 2, and 2 in the last 2 double crochets. And that's it. Cut off the thread, hide the end, starch the tree, iron it well, and it will be ready to decorate your home. This is it for today. I hope you liked the video and the Christmas tree that we made together. If you want to be informed of all the new projects, please subscribe to the channel and push the bell button. See you next time. Bye-bye.